Did you hear about the bald man who got a new comb for his birthday? He said he'll never part with it. Now that's a hilarious story to start our discussion. But the punchline is far from the main topic that we're going to tackle today. Hair, my friends, is more than just a mere accessory. Hair serves as a testament to our identity, and the length and strength of it play a crucial role in our overall appeal. It's our crowning glory, our main attraction, okay, I promise that was the last pun. This video is all about understanding, nurturing, and boosting hair growth, particularly for Black women. It's a whole different ballgame. It's not just about picking a shampoo off the shelf or running a comb through your strands. It's about understanding your hair, knowing its needs, and catering to them. It's about the oils, the grease, the wash, the deep conditioning. It's a science, it's an art, it's hair care. With Black women's hair being unique, beautiful, strong, and versatile comes the responsibility of special care. It needs moisture, it needs protection, it needs love. And that's what we're here for today. We're going to talk about the magical world of Black hair care. We're going to delve into the specifics of what oils to use, how to mix up your own special grease blend, when to wash, and how to deep condition. We're going to discuss the do's and don'ts, the must-haves, and the definitely nots. We're going to empower you with knowledge so you can take the best care of your gorgeous mane. So buckle up, ladies and gents, because we're about to embark on a hair-raising journey. Not the kind where you need a comb to part with, but a journey of discovery, understanding, and most importantly, love our hair. Now let's dive deep into the world of oils and grease for Black women's hair. Ready? No need for a comb, I promise. So, you've heard about the oil boom, right? No, not that kind. I'm talking about the hair oil boom. Hair oils have been a game changer in the world of hair care, especially for Black hair. These elixirs are packed with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that our hair craves. Let's dive into some of the key players in the oil game. First up, we have coconut oil. This tropical treat is rich in lauric acid, which penetrates the hair shaft and works from the inside out to prevent protein loss and strengthen the strands. It's like a personal trainer for your hair, promoting growth and preventing breakage. Next, meet olive oil. This Mediterranean marvel is a natural conditioner, imparting shine that would make a diamond jealous. It's loaded with antioxidants and vitamin E that help combat hair damage. And the best part? It's not just for pasta. Then there's jojoba oil. Unlike the others, jojoba oil is actually a wax ester that closely resembles the natural oils of our scalp. This makes it a master of balance, regulating oil production on the scalp and maintaining the hair's natural pH level. Think of it as the Zen master of hair oils. Of course, these are just a few examples. There are so many wonderful oils out there, like sweet almond oil for soothing the scalp or argan oil for taming frizz. The key is to experiment and find out what works best for your unique hair type and needs. Now, a word of caution. Oils are potent and a little goes a long way. Too much of a good thing can weigh down your hair or make it greasy. So start small and adjust as needed. Remember, oils are like secret potions for your hair. Choose the right one and you'll unlock the magic. And guess what? You're beautiful, that's what. Ever wished you could be a bit of a hair wizard? Well, grab your wand because we're about to brew our own grease blend. Now let's get started. Our first ingredient is coconut oil. This oil is a true multitasker. It moisturizes, strengthens, and adds shine to your hair. You'll need about a quarter cup of it. Next ingredient, castor oil. This oil is known for its hair growth properties. It also prevents hair breakage, dandruff, and even treats scalp infections. Add 2 tablespoons of this magic elixir to your blend. Then we have jojoba oil. It closely resembles the natural oil sebum, which is produced by our scalp. This oil moisturizes the hair, adds nutrients, and stimulates the scalp for hair growth. Pour in about 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Moving on, we have olive oil. This oil is rich in vitamins A, E, and antioxidants. It helps protect the keratin in hair and seals in moisture. Mix in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Last but not least, we have tea tree oil. This oil is known for its ability to combat dandruff and other scalp issues. Just a few drops, about 5 to 10, will do the trick. Now that we have all our ingredients, it's time to mix them up. You'll want to use a glass jar for this. Start by adding the coconut oil, followed by the castor oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, And finally, the tea tree oil. Stir the mixture well until you get a consistent blend. Let's not forget about the heat. Yes, you heard it right. We need to gently heat this mixture. This step will ensure that all the oils blend together perfectly. You can do this by placing your jar in a bowl of hot water for about 10 minutes. Once done, let it cool, and there you have it. Your very own homemade grease blend. This blend is a powerhouse of nutrients and will keep your hair moisturized, healthy, and shiny. And voila! You've just created your own magical hair potion. Use it wisely and your hair will thank you. Washing your hair isn't just about getting it clean. It's a ritual, a dance, alright, it's mostly about getting it clean. But there's a right way to do it. Now you might be wondering, how often should I wash my hair? Well, that's a great question, and the answer is not as straightforward as you might think. It's not about a fixed schedule, but rather your hair's unique needs. For some, once a week could be ideal, while for others, every 2 weeks might work better. It's all about striking that perfect balance between removing product buildup and retaining those oh-so-important natural oils. You see, while washing your hair helps get rid of any excess product, dirt, or sweat, it also strips away your natural oils. These oils are vital for keeping your hair moisturized and healthy, so washing too frequently could leave your hair dry and brittle. But on the flip side, not washing often enough can result in product buildup, which can clog your hair follicles and stunt your hair growth. Tricky, right? So what's the solution? Well, it's all about finding that sweet spot. Listen to your hair. If it starts to feel overly greasy or heavy, it's probably time for a wash. And if it's feeling dry or brittle, maybe hold off for a few more days. When you do wash, remember to be gentle. Our hair is most vulnerable when it's wet, so rough handling can lead to breakage. Opt for a gentle shampoo, preferably sulfate-free, and focus on your scalp. Work in the shampoo with your fingertips, not your nails, to avoid any unnecessary damage. After rinsing, apply a moisturizing conditioner from mid-length to ends, leaving it in for a few minutes before rinsing out. And there you have it, the ultimate hair wash routine. It's not just about cleaning your hair, but doing it in a way that maintains its health and vitality. Remember, ladies, washing your hair is a delicate balance. Do it right and you'll have hair that's clean, healthy, and oh so happy. Deep conditioning, it's like a spa day for your hair. And who doesn't love a good spa day? Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of why deep conditioning is so important for Black women's hair. Picture your hair as a delicate plant that needs water to thrive. Without it, the plant wilts, withers, and eventually breaks. That's exactly what happens when we don't deep condition our hair. Let's talk about the benefits. First and foremost, deep conditioning helps with moisture retention. Think of a sponge soaking up water. Your hair, like that sponge, needs to soak up moisture to stay healthy and vibrant. Deep conditioning acts like a super soaker, helping your hair hold on to that much-needed moisture longer. Next, improve texture. Have you ever touched a silk scarf and marveled at its smoothness? Deep conditioning can help your hair feel just as soft. It smooths out the hair cuticles, making your hair feel silky to the touch and easier to manage. Lastly, reduced breakage. We all know the heartbreak of seeing chunks of hair on our combs or in the shower. Deep conditioning strengthens your hair from the inside out, reducing the likelihood of breakage. Now for the million-dollar question, how to properly deep condition for maximum benefits. Here's a quick 3-step guide. 1. Apply your deep conditioner on clean, damp hair. 2. Cover your hair with a plastic cap to trap heat and open the hair cuticles, allowing the conditioner to penetrate deeper. 3. Leave it on for at least 20 minutes to an hour, depending on the instructions on the product. And remember, the longer the conditioner stays, the more your hair benefits. But don't exceed the recommended time on the product's label, as over-conditioning can lead to mushy, weak hair. Deep conditioning isn't just a step in your hair care routine. It's an act of self-love, so pamper your hair and it'll shine for you. We've discussed oils, grease, washing rituals, and deep conditioning. Now let's make sense of it all. Throughout today's exploration of Black hair care, we've unearthed the magic of oils. Remember, coconut oil is a superb choice for nourishing and fortifying your hair, while jojoba oil matches up with your scalp's natural oils, ensuring your hair stays hydrated and robust. Olive oil, conversely, is your ultimate weapon against dryness and dandruff, and castor oil. Well, it's the undisputed growth champion, fostering thicker, voluminous hair. We also ventured into the domain of DIY grease concoctions. Creating own unique blend puts you in charge of what goes in your hair. You can handpick the oils that cater to your hair's specific needs and simultaneously sidestep damaging chemicals possibly hiding in store-bought products. We emphasize the significance of a consistent hair wash routine. Overwashing your hair can deplete it of its natural oils to dry, fragile hair. On the contrary, not washing regularly can result in product accumulation and an unhealthy scalp. Thus, achieving the right equilibrium is crucial. And who could overlook the potency of deep conditioning? This phase is akin to a resort day for your hair, infiltrating the hair shaft to revitalize moisture, mend damage, and enhance elasticity. It's an indispensable part of your regimen to sustain glowing, healthy hair. As we conclude, bear in mind, each hair journey is distinctive. What produces amazing results for one person might not have the same effect on you, and that's perfectly fine. Journey is all about figuring out what your hair responds positively to and adapting accordingly. Take your time with the process. Be patient. In your pursuit of healthier hair, remember to pay attention to your hair, shower it with the affection it deserves, and never shy away from trying new things until you discover what suits you best. Always remember, ladies, your hair is your crown, so pamper it like royalty, and it'll forever make you sparkle. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more valuable insights on black hair care, and share this video with your circle of friends. Peace out, queens.